Hello beautiful people, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. Welcome to my channel. If today is the first time visiting my YouTube channel, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. To my existing subscribers, welcome to Khembuzz Designs. So guys, this is the second phase of this lovely dashing meaning luxury bag. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, comment, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Don't forget to share and don't forget to comment like I said. Thank you and God bless you. Guys, the first thing is to apply gum to the outer and the inner layer, and then glue them together. After gluing them together, then I'm just gonna stitch them round. Just gonna stitch it round using my flatbed machine, my flatbed industrial machine. Now I'm done stitching it round. So the next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to take the measurement for my corsets. So guys, I'm just kind of showing you guys how the corset is gonna look like. So basically this is the pattern for the corset, and the length for the corset that's for the side. The length for it is 19.5 for the length, and the width is 4 inches. The width is 4 inches. Guys, for the measurement for the inner layer, that's the inner layer for the lining, the weight is 7.5, while the length is 5.5. that's 5.5. So basically I'm just gonna take out 2 of the leather board, 1 and 2, making 2 of the leather board, and the long corset, the side corset. So guys, stay tuned and watch how this is gonna happen, and watch how the magic is gonna happen. Guys, the next thing is to cut out your lining for the leather bird that you're gonna be using. So it's just to cut the lining for the leather bird, and also to cut the lining for the corset itself. So guys, the next thing is to wrap our long strap. The length, you can use any length. You can use 48, you can use 50, depending on how you want it to be long. you know. And the width is I'm making use of 0.7 because I'm making use of 1 inch um, adjuster and 1 inch bag hook. So I'll be the leather board now will be 0.7. So this is gonna be holding the D-ring. You know, basically I didn't take any measurements for that. I just had to I just drew it and that is it. So guys, the next thing is to apply the magnets to the bag. Guys, the magnet has been fixed. Yeah, the magnet has been fixed and it's looking very nice. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to glue the inner part of the leather and also the outer part of the bag. I have to glue them together, and after gluing them together, then I'm just going to stitch. So guys, now I'm through, gumming the lining. I'm through gumming the leather board with the lining, and I'm through stitching the outer parts and the inner parts together. So now guys, the next thing I'm just gonna do right now is to gum the second leather board, which is the leather board with the lining. So I'm just gonna glue that together. Now I'm through with the gumming of the leather board and the lining, and also I'm through with the gluing of the long strap. So I'm just gonna take, I'm using my hammer to hit it well to make it more flat and all that. So basically now what I'm gonna do is to stitch and then attach my hook and the adjuster to it. So right now I am trying to glue the ring holder. I'm trying to glue it together, give it a lovely and a nice shape. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm stitching the long strap. So after stitching it, then I'm just gonna attach my bag hook and also the bag adjuster to the strap, and that is it. Now I'm through with the long strap, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing right now is to just couple my corset together. So first thing is, guys, I made a mark where the inner part is gonna be sitting. That is why I had that mark. So basically, guys, what I did was I removed a 0.5 from those places, a 0.5 inch from the left, from the right, and from the bottom. Is 0.5, is 0.5, is 0.5. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is to do the corset itself. I mean, the shining gorgeous leather. So I'm not gonna be applying any leather board to it, so it's just gonna be leather alone. So I'm trying to fold, just fold the tips of the leather. Guys, if you want to get corset, you have to take the measurement, take measurement round, the lining leather board. So basically, after taking the measurement, then you can now bring out the mesh. You can now bring out the bring out the measurement out of the leather. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna be doing right now is to stitch my D-ring holder to the corset. Guys, I had to use a little bit file to file the leather a bit, so that because basically what I'm doing there is gumming work, so I want it to gum very well, and that is why I'm using file. Guys, I'm done with the stitch. So the next thing is to apply my lining to it. Just glue the lining and stitch them together. So now what I'm trying to do right now is to apply a little bit gum to the leather. Then after applying the gum to the leather, then I'm just gonna put my lining on top of the just to glue them together. So I'm just trying to glue them together. Then after that, then I'm just gonna stitch round. So now I am done stitching. Now the next thing is to apply a little bit gum to the corset. Please note, not too much of gum, a little bit gum to the tip where you stitch. Just apply a little bit gum to the outer of to the corset, and also to the leather board, to the back of the leather board, the inner layer. So basically right now what I'm doing is just attaching the corset and the leather board together. So guys, I'm done with the first part, then I'm just gonna do the second part of the leather board. Guys, I'm through with it. So basically I'm through with the corset, with the inner layer of the bag. So the next thing I'm just gonna do right now is to apply gum to the leather board and apply gum to the leather itself. Then place it on on the leather there. Please note, I took a 0.5 out from the bottom, the two sides, and also the up. A 0.5, I mean just a 0.5 at the bottom, 0.5 at the both sides. So guys, after gumming this together, then I'm just gonna glue the other part of the bag. So after gumming them together, then I just glue them. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys watched the part 1 of this video. Guys, please, if you've not, go and watch the part 1 of this video. After you watch the part 1, then you can watch the second phase of it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Thank you, and